about if maybe, you know I'll be holding back sometimes, even though I want you by my side.
What's up, you guys? I know I've been gone for a long time. I think I posted my last video probably like anyway, this style is, I think it's like a mohawk, but basically I'm braiding both of the sides down. I've already started on this end, so I'm braiding both of the sides down, and I'm using this hair. It's called Cuban twist, I think. I don't have the pack, and the reason I don't have the pack is because I bought the hair a long time ago, and mind you, I said I've done this style like 5 or 6 times, and I reused the hair. Like, that hair was like $6-7 a pack, and when you got a big head, that $6 or $7 adds up. So I was like, no, I gotta figure out something. So what I've been doing is I've been reusing the hair, and when I take it out, I put it in like a bucket or whatever, and I soak it. I put my favorite shampoo that I normally use and a conditioner. So I'm basically cleansing the hair and reusing it again, cleansing it, reusing it. So I soak it in there overnight, and then when I'm done soaking it, like, I hang it up and I let it drip dry. I know it sounds so ghetto, but I put it on a hanger and I let it like drip dry in the shower. Like, I hang it up. Y'all get the picture. So anyway, that way I can reuse it again, because I refuse to throw the hair away and then go buy some more. So when you guys see, when I get to the part where I start like installing the actual twist, you'll see that the hair looks used. It's like wavy already because it still has that imprint from previously being twisted. But I just thought I'd come on here and show you guys my hairstyle, or show you guys how I do it, and put up a video. So, alright, we're going to get started. I'm going to shut up so we can keep going. So now we're just braiding the cornrow, or the part that I just made. I'm just braiding it back, and I'm going to continue to make cornrows down the side until I'm finished. And like I said before, you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. And I can't really explain how to cornrow, but I will try to make another video and try to explain it my best, or just explain it the best way I can. It is kind of difficult, but once you catch on to it, it's easy. And I am looking at a mirror, if you guys are wondering what I'm looking at. Okay, so now I'm done braiding both sides, and I'm not gonna say both sides are even, but they won't know. No one would know. But here's the hair that I reused, and is cleansed, smells great, but I will say it's a very dry texture hair, so make sure you moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized while you're wearing this style if you're using this hair. Okay, so here's me installing the twist, and my parts are just simple blocks, and I split the block in half, and then I place the hair right in the center, and I twist my hair around the artificial hair, and I do it to both parts, and then I start twisting. And if you pay close attention, I'm rolling the parts or the pieces in between my fingers before I actually twist. And I do this to all of them. Don't worry about how stiff the hair is. After the style is completed, I normally dip it in boiling hot water. And I'm just gonna speed this process up. Okay, so now I'm finished with that one, and I'm gonna try to show you guys one more time. And to make my parts cleaner and give it a little bit of a shine, I use this stuff by Murray's, the company that makes beeswax, but the product is actually called Edge Wax. I'm so sorry, y'all. I started crunching my neck all down and stuff. But I'm doing the same thing. Hopefully you guys can tell. It is a little bit faster, but it's really simple. And if you feel like you need to rewind and do that section or watch that section all over again, please do so. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I lay my edges down. And I just use simple Eco Styler, whatever brand or type you like, you can use it. And I don't know what this paper is called, but my cousin gave me some and I said I would try it because I've definitely seen it used in the nail salon before. And I bought this little edge brush, which you guys will see in just a few seconds. I bought it from the beauty supply store. I think it was just $1.99. Okay, here it is. And it has like a comb on the end and a brush on the other end. I'm not really good at edges, but I do, I do what I like. So I'm pretty much satisfied with how they came out. But I'm not really an edge person. That doesn't really bother me that much. But yeah. And as you can see also, like, my eyebrows are kind of crazy. Eyebrows don't bother me that much either. I get them done on occasions. And I don't really go get them done that often because I don't want them to be thin. But I will say, a con of not going that often, they hurt like heck when I do go get them done. Okay, so now I'm just wrapping this around there really tight until it dries. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you 3 simple styles that you can put this style into. Okay, so here's the first one, and it's really simple. It's just pulling the sides back and tucking it into this little ball. And I literally tie it like you were tying your shoestrings. Okay, so here's the second style. And the second style is like this braid. I can't really explain it, but you're just taking a few pieces and crossing it over each other until you get back as far as you want. And you can take this as far back as you want. I don't really go that far, but it keeps the hair out of my face. Like when I lean down, it has this tendency to just flop down in my face. So after I get back as far as I want, I just take the sides and just put like a ponytail holder on it. And I know you guys can notice that my hair is now like straight on the ends, and that's just because I dipped it in hot water, so it doesn't have that stiff look anymore. Okay, so here's the last style, and this style is my favorite style. Like, I will wear my hair in this style and never take it down unless it falls. So first you just like try to get everything towards the back, and then you do the same. You pull the hair back, the sides back with the ponytail holder. And then the next step is pretty simple. You just start picking up pieces of the hair, or like a few twists at a time, and stuffing it above the area that you put in the ponytail. And this, it's simple, it's quick, but it's not so good if you're worried about the nape of your neck, which I'm not. I do have like fuzzies. If you watch any of my other videos, you'd hear that I did put my hair in an undercut a couple years ago. Biggest regret, because it just is short back there and doesn't want to grow back. But yeah, now I'm just fixing it, the little ones that are sticking up. But I think this is the most cleanest style. It's like real professional. I wear this to clinic because I am a dental hygiene student, and we do have to have our hair pulled back, and I think this is really simple. So now the style is complete. Alright, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.